hear the rails sing soft and low, like they've always known where I should go. Oh, I'm engine 37, hear me call. Rolling through time, I'm giving my all. From neon nights to the desert breeze, I'm bringing love on these little red wheels. Whistle blowing, proud and strong, I've been searching all along for the place where magic grows. All aboard to Scottsdale I go. There's a park where the trains still sing, where the past and the future cling. A carousel spins from a golden age. Tiny trains run a storybook stage. Paradise tracks winding through, little hands waving as I roll through. Modern worlds where the dreamers play, and I live there every day. On engine 37, now I know this was my journey, this was my road. Through every mile and every glow, I found my home, in Scottsdale I go. In every child who climbs inside, in every laugh I'll always ride, with a mother's love that forever flows. To Scottsdale I go. Steep bell, gentle child, welcome home. Engine 37.